Business insurance in USA. Is business insurance mandatory in USA? The federal government requires every business with employees to have workers' compensation, unemployment, and disability insurance. Some states also require additional insurance. Laws requiring insurance vary by state. So visit your state's website to find out the requirements for your business. What are the three most important insurance? Most experts agree that life, health, long-term and disability, and auto insurance, and the four types of insurance you must have. What is commercial insurance in USA? Commercial insurance refers to insurance coverage intended for businesses instead of individuals. Commercial insurance is also called business insurance. Business insurance covers losses related to unexpected events like lawsuits, accidents, or natural disasters, among others. What is the most common type of business insurance? General liability insurance. General liability insurance helps protect your business from claims that it caused bodily injury to someone else. What are the two basic type of insurance? What are the four most common types of insurance? According to experts, four types of insurance are considered as an essential: life insurance, health insurance, long-term disability insurance, and auto insurance. General liability insurance helps protect your business from claims that it caused bodily injury to someone else, property damage to another person's belongings, personal injury like libel or cylinder. Secondly, commercial property insurance. Commercial property insurance helps protect your own or rented uh, building and equipment that you use to run your business. Be aware that this insurance does not cover damage from earthquakes or floods. You will likely have to get a separate policy like commercial flood insurance to help protect your business from these kinds of claims. Third, business income insurance. If you can't run your business because of covered property damage, business income insurance can help replace your lost income, so you can use this coverage to help pay for in ongoing expenses like rent and utility bills or payroll. This type of insurance is also known as business interruption insurance. Number four, professional liability insurance. Professional liability insurance helps cover lawsuits claiming that you made a mistake in the services you provide. This type of insurance is also known as errors and omissions insurance. Number five, workers compensation insurance. Workers compensation insurance gives your employees benefits if they get hurt or sick from their job. These benefits can help. These benefits can help. Thank you.